5 steps to become a 3D animator. Number 1, find your purpose. Now you need to find your purpose, why exactly you are looking to become a 3D animator, whether it's money, whether you really love it, whether you love the animated films, or whether somebody has told you why you are looking for that. Second is set a goal. Now you need to set a goal in how many years you are looking to become a 3D animator, and what is your end goal, where you really want to work in these many years, how much salary you want. Whatever you are really looking for, you need to set that goal. Now the third step is you need to evaluate your current situation, and you need to think about how much money you have, what is the convenient place for you, which is a place which will be the best for you according to your goals, like which thing will take you there very fast and how many resources do you have. Number 4 is resources to learn. Now you need to figure out according to your situation, your convenience, what is the best option for you, whether to learn from mentors, whether to learn online, whether to learn on yourself, or recorded courses or institutes or colleges, whatever it is, you need to figure out and choose that one option. Now the last one is start practicing. No matter where you are learning from, practice every day to become the master of animation.